Lavender. Just the word evokes a sense of tranquility and beauty. Imagine a sea of purple swaying gently in the breeze, a fragrant haven for bees and butterflies. This Mediterranean gem with its silvery leaves and intoxicating aroma is not just a feast for the senses but a surprisingly easy plant to grow. Lavender thrives in sunny spots and well-drained soil. It's relatively low maintenance, making it a perfect addition to any garden, large or small. Whether you are a seasoned gardener or a complete novice, growing lavender is a rewarding experience. The allure of lavender extends far beyond its visual appeal. For centuries, this versatile plant has been treasured for its calming and therapeutic properties. Its distinct aroma has the power to soothe the mind, relieve stress, and promote restful sleep. From fragrant sachets to calming essential oils, the uses of lavender are as diverse as they are beneficial. So why not invite this touch of Mediterranean magic into your own garden and enjoy the beauty and bounty of homegrown lavender? Lavender, a child of the Mediterranean, craves sunshine. Choose a spot in your garden that enjoys at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. Good drainage is crucial for healthy lavender plants. Lavender dislikes soggy roots, so ensure the soil is light and well drained. If your soil is heavy clay, amend it with grit or sand to improve drainage. Lavender thrives in neutral to slightly alkaline soil. Before planting, it's a good idea to check the pH of your soil. You can easily do this with a simple soil testing kit. If your soil is too acidic, adding lime can help to raise the pH to a level suitable for lavender. Remember, preparing the ground well before planting is key to success. By replicating the sunny, well-drained conditions of its Mediterranean home, you'll give your lavender the best possible start. Lavender can be grown from seed, but starting with established plants is quicker and easier. Choose healthy plants from a reputable nursery. Spring and autumn are the ideal times to plant lavender. The cooler temperatures and increased rainfall will help the plants establish themselves before the onset of summer heat. Dig a hole twice the width of the plant's root ball and just as deep. Gently remove the plant from its pot and loosen any circling roots. Place the plant in the hole, ensuring the top of the root ball is level with the surrounding soil. Backfill the hole with soil, firming it gently around the base of the plant. Water well after planting. Remember, lavender prefers a deep watering less frequently rather than frequent shallow watering. Section 4. Nurturing your aromatic bounty. Lavender is relatively low maintenance, but a little care goes a long way. Once established, lavender is fairly drought tolerant. However, regular watering is essential during the first year after planting, especially during dry spells. A light feed with a balanced fertilizer in spring can encourage healthy growth. Mulching around the base of the plants with gravel or bark chippings helps to suppress weeds and retain moisture. Lavender benefits from regular pruning. This encourages bushier growth and prevents the plants from becoming leggy and woody. The best time to prune is in late summer, after flowering. Cut back the flowering stems by about 1/3 using sharp secateurs. Avoid cutting into the woody part of the plant. Regularly check your lavender plants for any signs of pests or diseases. Lavender is generally pest-free but can be susceptible to root rot if the soil is too wet. Section 5. Harvesting nature's perfume. Harvesting your homegrown lavender is a joy. The best time to harvest is when the flowers are just starting to open. This is when their fragrance is at its peak. To harvest, simply cut the flowering stems, leaving a few inches of growth at the base. You can use the freshly cut stems to create beautiful fragrant bouquets, or dry them for later use. To dry lavender, tie the stems together in small bundles and hang them upside down in a cool, dark, and well-ventilated place. Once the flowers are completely dry, you can easily remove them from the stems by running your fingers along their length. Store the dried lavender flowers in airtight containers in a cool, dark place to preserve their fragrance. Dried lavender flowers can be used in a myriad of ways, from fragrant sachets and potpourris to calming sleep pillows and soothing baths. The possibilities are endless.